I'm a father of 17-year-old twin boys, which is a challenge because they're trying to learn to drive at the moment. I learned to drive 32 years ago, so I don't think my role is to train them to drive. I'm the Managing Director of ElectriQL Limited. We're an electrical compliance and testing company. I think what makes ElectriQL unique is the fact that we are a nationwide company where all our engineers are directly employed, but they all work from home, but they do still feel part of a family. The challenges we faced when we moved to Sage 200 was that a lot of those processes were manual.
When we were on a site, we had to use 3 carbon copy paper. We had to call up our help desk, get pricing on everything that was needed to be replaced, and then everything had to be handwritten.
It's really important when you're working in a finance system that things are accurate and robust, and that the people that you're sending that information to trust it, that it's reliable. From a client perspective, having that information on Sage 200 means that it allows them to prove to their insurance companies, to the landlords, and even to their own business that they have a compliant business. Like any business, we needed a robust customer relationship management tool. One of the first things we did was bring in our Sage partners to talk about how we could integrate that system, and that was when they introduced to us the Sage CRM system. The system has definitely been simplified, not only for the clients but for our engineers as well. Most of the documents are already completed for the engineer in the background, so as he's going through each stage and completing parts of the application, it's already filling in the data in the background for the client.
It gives us a lot more clarity, with transparency, just with pricing, and obviously making sure that things are being fitted that need to be fitted, and saves a lot of time for them not waiting around. Having Sage on our system has actually saved us probably about 15 minutes per job.
Definitely integrates well for us, saves the engineer time, reduces errors, and saves us money, which at the end of the day we're trying to do in regards to delivering a service for the clients.